Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Diamond Rose, and I am back here with another temp job, customer service job from Walmart call center representative position. It's a remote position for $15 an hour. It's a temporary position, and this is the respondent rate: 51 to 74% of applicants in the past 30 days. Typically, within 30 days, they answer and respond to applicants. And put in the application, and you guys will be able to see, if you get hired or anything. If you're looking for a temporary customer service position, this is it right here, you guys. Because if you have a school related um situation where you're in school and you can only work part-time or temporarily, then this is the perfect job position for you. This qualification is a high school diploma or equivalent is required. Customer service 1 year is required. The full job description of this job is resolve customer contact issues by using decision support tools to resolve issues, working with store associates to develop and implement resolutions, implementing appropriate resolution, providing information to customers, utilizing program quality guidelines and programs resources, authorizing customer compensations to achieve customer satisfaction with issue resolution, and identifying and escalating high impact issues to senior resolution specialists are necessary. Enhances customer engagement by researching and resolving ongoing issues, following up with customers on issues, implementing resolutions, communicating final decisions and resolutions of customers, and gathering and recording customer satisfaction survey ratings. Represent company image to customers by providing professional, courteous customer service, providing accurate and timely information, reviewing and appropriately communicating relevant company policies. Excuse me, guys, I'm just stuttering all over the place today. Okay. Remaining poised faced with difficult interactions and identifying high visibility issues and escalating to appropriate corporate business unit. For example, corporate security, legal, corporate communications. Completes work assignments and priorities by using policies, data, and resources, collaborating with managers, co-workers, customers, and other business partners, identifying priorities, deadlines, and expectations, carrying out tasks, communicating progress and information, determining and recommending ways to address improvement opportunities, and adapting to and learning from change, difficulties, and feedback. Complies with company policies, procedures, and standards of ethics and integrity by implementing related action plans, using the open door policy, and applying these in executing business processes and practices. Once again, this job is temporary. It's paid $15 per hour. The schedule, you have to have weekend availability to work in this job, and you have to have an equivalent or high school diploma is a requirement, and customer service experience 1 year required. It's a work from home position that's remote. And they are urgently hiring. It's posted today. They are hiring for 2 candidates. Now, if it seems like something that you want to do to be a temporary customer service rep, then you can apply right there. Now, the next job position is remote customer service agent at $15 per hour, temp to hire in Lexington, Kentucky. It's a remote position. It's a full-time position. The experience that you have to be in this job position is customer service and typing. And the educational certificates that you have to have is your high school diploma or the equivalent. And it's paid training. The benefits paid training, and the full description is down below. Our reputation is in our name, CFA Staffing, customer first always. CFA Staffing is a certified female minority-owned staffing service, putting thousands of employees to work annually. We focus on light industrial, warehouse, clerical, and technical staffing. So it's an all-female-owned staffing service. But it's an excellent service for anybody who wants to join. Man, as a man or woman, is a great position for anyone to get into. Now, the position overview is here. Our client is seeking to fill 30 customer service agents for their call center located in Lexington, Kentucky. These representatives are the DMS call center representatives who will manage multiple call queues focused on assisting Kentucky residents in the process of obtaining and managing their Medicaid and qualified health plan benefits. These are full-time temp-to-hire positions. They will hire at 90-day calendar days, working Monday through Friday. Your training schedule will be 3 to 5 weeks long. For 3 weeks, you will be in classroom training from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. For the 3rd to 4th week, you will be learning on the job, taking phone calls, working the same schedule at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time, and afterwards, working your production schedule of 10 a.m. through 7 p.m. You will have 2 15-minute breaks and a 1-hour lunch scheduled after each day. Each day you will have a 1-hour lunch break. Wow. Schedule each day. These positions will start training Monday, August the 15th, 2022. Starting pay is $15 per hour. Again, all these positions are 100% working from home remotely, even training. You will be required to come into the call center on your first day to pick up the equipment and stay a while to make sure all equipment is working properly. Please call and do not text Mike Hudson at 812-841-5409 with any questions. This is set in a call center environment, so please make sure you want to work in a call center environment. Must have excellent computer knowledge, typing skills, and the data entry keystrokes. They will hire you at 90 calendar days worked, which is great. They have benefits and salary, paid training sessions. Benefits are available immediately. So this is it, you guys. They talk about the training and what days you have to come in for work, and how you have to pick up your computer from the place itself in Kentucky. So if you are a Kentucky resident, or you plan on moving to Kentucky quickly, because this training class starts August the 15th. Don't get too fast on the streets and stuff like that. But where you want to move and try to relocate with this job, because you have to drive at the right speed. But this job is up for grabs, and it's an 8-hour shift. It's a day shift, Monday to Friday. And yes, it's here. They're hiring 10 plus candidates for this role. So if you want to apply, you can go ahead and apply. And good luck, you guys. Thank you, my diamonds, for keep shining. Thank you guys for keep sparkling. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You can do this. You got this. You are the diamond. Okay? Let's get it. You guys, that's it for my video. Have a great day. And happy job, honey. Find that dream job. Thank you.